Hey everybody, Rorree here with the Goddess of Isis Coven. Today we are talking about different ways to relieve stress and to keep our vibrations high. So one thing that I do on a regular basis is breath work. And I'm going to teach you all something really quickly, and I'm going to be really quick about it, okay? Now, if you get into our community, in the community, it's all recorded for you, and we do live sessions where I walk you through the activities as well. But for today, I'm going to be real quick, all right? So we're going to do something called Ujjayi breath, all right? And this is something you can do in the mornings for about 7 minutes, and I'm telling you, this will change your life. You will, when I started doing this at first, I started being the thinker watching the thinker, like how Eckhart Tolle says. I was like, oh my gosh, this is what he's talking about. I felt like I was in a movie and I was watching myself in the movie, but I knew what was happening. I knew what was about to happen. You know what I mean? Like it really heightened my awareness. It also helps you with upper respiratory issues, which I'm having right now. That's why I sound a little congested. So anyway, but let's get started. Okay, so this is Ujjayi breath, and I'm going to walk you through a breath. So you're going to inhale for 4 counts. You're going to hold for 4 counts, and you're going to exhale for 6 counts, and then you're going to hold for 2 counts, okay? And our hand positions are going to be, I'm going to call, your hands are going to be tabletop, and I'm going to call this first position, okay, by your navel, in alignment with your navel, okay? And then second position is right here. So your hands are tabletop above your chest, and your thumb is like in your armpit right there, okay? And then third position is your hands go straight up in the air and then flat on your back. This is third position, okay? And this is the most challenging position, okay? So in 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 2. All right. So take a deep breath in through your nose. Oh, and we're gonna do Ujjayi breath. I'm trying to do this so fast. Okay, you're gonna do what's called Ujjayi breath. So it's like a snore breath. So you're gonna cap the back, your tongue a little bit to the back of your throat, and then you're gonna inhale through your nose, but it's gonna be a restricted breath. So it's gonna sound like this. Okay, like a snore. Okay, let's go. Okay, in 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 2, in 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Eyes closed. Hold 2, in 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 2, in 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 2, in 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold and relax. You can pause this and relax for a moment, but we're going to go to second position. In 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 2, in 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 2. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, relax. But we're going to move on, so you can pause if you need to relax. Third position. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold and relax. All right, so when we do this in our group, we usually do maybe 10 sets here, 10 here, maybe 6 or 7 up here. And then it's followed by a Bhastrika breath. And I'm going to do that one in the next segment. But to set you up, you start with your elbows here. Your elbows and shoulders are relaxed. And you're going to reach for the sky like this. And then you're going to grab down, reach up and grab down. And you're going to do a nose breath, which is, okay. So, and it's a disgusting breath because you have to make sure your nose is clear, but you're going to breathe in swiftly through your nose and push out swiftly through your nose. Okay. So on the in, you're going to raise your hands up, and the out, you're going to pull your hands down. And you're going to do this 10 times, but 3 reps of 10. So it's, okay, but you are really expressing it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, 10 times, and then you rest. Take a deep breath in, take an exhale, and then you do it again 10 times, pulling down. Okay, and I actually am not going to do it in a separate one, but I think those directions were pretty easy, and that's called the Bhastrika breath. Doing those both together will take you about 7-8 minutes in the morning, and I really encourage you to do it and tell me how your life changes after you do that for about a month. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next one.